You asked and I listened. The most comprehensive, relevant, structured, organized, and complete course on science and tech and environment for UPSC Prelims 2026 is here. It starts on 12th January 2026. Let's understand the details. Hello and welcome to Clarity for UPSC. I'm Dr. Shivan. इन सब्जेक्ट्स में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, कुछ challenges हैं that we face every day. What are those challenges? We have not studied the concepts of these subjects. We just read the current affairs. We think कि ऊपर से current affairs पढ़ लेंगे, rote learning कर लेंगे, and then we are not able to solve questions here. There are about 25 questions on average every single year from these subjects, and I want that we're able to solve at least 15. So we'll solve all the PYQs, we'll cover all the current affairs of 1.5 years, we'll understand the concepts, we'll do PYQs in class, and we'll have quick revision notes so that there is no difficulty in last minute revision. A comprehensive, complete coverage of these two subjects, as much as it is required for UPSC prelims, will be dealt with here. एक एक करके दोनों सब्जेक्ट्स को डिस्कस करते हैं. पहले बात करते हैं साइंस एंड टेक की. Science and tech is what I started my career with. Science and tech is something that is the closest to my heart, and it is the subject that probably I teach best. My idea here will be to focus on a complete holistic understanding with concise handwritten notes, complete PYQ coverage, 1.5 years का current affairs हम cover करेंगे, and in a total of 16 sessions, 12 static sessions and 4 current affairs sessions will be done. In addition to that, I've also added a full length test here so that you don't face any difficulty in revision and to consolidate whatever you have read. Now, any decision that you should take on the basis of past year performance. So let's see this module's past year performance. The idea was that in last year, in science and tech, there were a lot of questions that were difficult as well. But for example, if you look at the questions that came in prelims 2025, a lot of them were directly solvable from the notes that I gave last year. So for example, this question on viruses is directly covered in the notes here. अगर आप ये एक्सियम, स्पेडेक्स और गगनयान का मिशन देखो तो यहाँ पर गगनयान का क्वेश्चन कवर्ड है, यहाँ पे स्पेडेक्स कवर्ड है और यहाँ पर एक्सियम 4 कवर्ड है. So directly if you had read these notes, you could cover this. If you look at this question on Majorana 1, deep learning and the idea of Amazon, so यहाँ पे Majorana 1, Amazon का chip, Microsoft का chip and quantum learning was covered in the notes. If you look at unmanned aerial vehicles, that is also something we studied last year, and this question anyway is easily solvable. This question on aircrafts, so Ilyushin is covered here, Dornier is covered here, and C-17 is covered here. This question on GPS aided geo augmented navigation system is covered right here. So in science and tech, the idea will be simple. Science and tech जब हमें cover करना है, पूरा conceptual understanding से we are going to understand this subject. We're going to cover all PYQs in class. I'll give you concise handwritten notes, which I'll show you at the end of this presentation. I'll also cover everything that you need to read. This will be the absolute one-stop solution that you need for science and tech and environment. You don't need to go beyond this. Environment की बात करें तो the methodology stays the same. पहले concept समझेंगे. So 12 static classes on environment to understand the complete methodology on how environment is to be read. 1.5 years का current affairs भी cover करेंगे. We are going to have 4 classes. All articles that have appeared in the Hindu, the Indian Express and TIB I'm going to cover here. We're going to have concise handwritten notes. PYQs are covered. A full length test on environment to then consolidate our learning. And एक conceptual clarity रहेगी, एक confidence रहेगा. My goal here is कि जो आपको पॉलिटी में एक कॉन्फिडेंस रहता है कि हाँ यार मुझे ब्रॉडली ये सब्जेक्ट आता है, अब अगर डिफिकल्ट आ गया तो अलग बात है, बट हाँ आई नो दिस सब्जेक्ट एंड आई बी एबल टू कवर इट. सिमिलरली आपको ये कॉन्फिडेंस साइंस एंड टेक और एनवायरनमेंट में भी आए. Being a medical doctor, I also understand the biology and the basics behind these subjects, so that also we will cover in detail. Environment की बात करें past year performance की, तो last year environment was fairly difficult. A lot of difficult questions, tough questions from environment came, but even then, from the module that I covered last year, a lot of them were solvable. For example, if you look at this question on Article 6 and carbon markets, although आप कह सकते हो कि हाँ यार ये हमें पता था, but a detailed explanation of the Paris Agreement that helps you answer this three statement question was there in the notes. If you look at direct air capture, it was something that we studied directly in the notes along with carbon capture, utilization and storage. अगर हम circular economy की बात करें, this question on circular economy that came, again it was directly covered here. So CCUS and circular economy was also covered. So this was a question then on carbon dioxide emission. जो carbon dioxide economy का question था, so what is the economy of carbon dioxide, how much do we emit, कहाँ से क्या emit होता है, that also we covered directly here. The question on rainforests and phytoplankton was also covered in our discussion of pollution. So the idea is simple. If you want to score well in the prelims, polity, economy, geography, modern history, तो सब पढ़ के जा रहे हैं. Science and tech and environment are the two things that people don't read properly, and that you get covered here in 16 classes each. Total 32 classes लगेंगी. Your concepts will be covered. Your idea of current affairs will be covered. You will have quick revision notes in the end, तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. Let's also take a look at what sort of, these are some other questions of course that we had also covered. So for this example, this question on ethanol was also covered in the notes. Let's understand what sort of notes we're going to have. So our sample notes are going to look something like this. They're going to be handwritten. The handwritten notes are for static. उसमें infographics होंगे, information handwritten format में होगी ताकि आप जल्दी revise कर सको, and they won't be too bulky. They'll be enough that you can revise them in one day. They'll also be highlighted appropriately ताकि आपको पढ़ना आसान रहे. अगर मैं current affairs के notes की बात करूं तो they will be typed. अब इन notes को बनाने का एक specific तरीका है. वो specific तरीका क्या है? That if you see this article here, this article has a hyperlink. I will hyperlink all the articles ताकि अगर आपको directly वो article हिंदू या इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में चेक करना हो, वो वहां पर आपको hyperlink मिलेगा. नोट्स की हाईलाइटिंग भी एक तरीके से करी जाती है. That the green highlighting is of those things that have already been asked as previous year questions. The yellow highlighting is of those things that you have to revise just before prelims. तो नोट्स अगर आपको लग रहा हो इस पेज पे बहुत कुछ लिखा है, just read the highlighted part and read the infographics and you will be sorted. So for current affairs as well as for static, we have notes that you can cover in one day. आप एक दिन में साइंस एंड टेक रिवाइज कर लोगे और एक ही दिन में आप एनवायरनमेंट भी रिवाइज कर लोगे. Let's talk of the schedule now. The schedule is like this. So if we look at science and tech first, the static classes start in the second week of January, which is from 12th Jan, which is the upcoming Monday. We'll have a total of 12 sessions. जब हम ये 12 sessions कर लेंगे उसके बाद हमें current affairs पढ़ने हैं. तो current affairs के will start from first week of February and we'll have 4 sessions of current affairs. Now if I'm teaching you current affairs in February, I can only teach you current affairs till January in February. तो जो Feb March के current affairs का update चाहिए होता है, that updation class we will have in April. This is the schedule for science and tech. अब environment की अगर हम बात करें, the static classes start from the second week of Feb. Again, we are going to have 12 classes for static coverage. Current affairs के लिए we are going to have 4 classes in the first week of March. जो भी updation class है, that updation class we'll take in April. So by the end of March, by March 31st, both science and tech and environment, current affairs and static will be covered. The only updation class that we need will be held in April. So एक updation हमें चाहिए होगी अप्रैल में मार्च फेब के करंट अफेयर्स के लिए. So एक आध क्लास हमारी अप्रैल में होगी, but everything else will cover and will be complete well before 31st March 2026, so that you have enough time in April and May to revise all the other subjects also that you have to read. Now the other thing, the special thing that I'm going to do this year is I'm going to incorporate active recall. The idea is कि यार लोग पढ़ लेते हैं क्लास में आके, वो समझ लेते हैं कॉन्सेप्ट्स को, बट उनसे याद नहीं होते. So I've thought that in after every 3 to 4 classes, I'll have an active recall session with you ताकि आपको सब याद रहे. It is not only my job to teach you these subjects, it is also my job to ensure that you remember these subjects in these 16 sessions each. इन 16 सेशंस में ऐसे पढ़ाई करेंगे कि आपको साइंस एंड टेक और एनवायरनमेंट यहीं पे याद हो जाए. उसके बाद आपको अप्रैल और मई में सिर्फ एक दिन लगे इसको प्रॉपर्ली रिवाइज करने में. एंड नॉर्मली जो 25 में से 5 या 6 क्वेश्चन हम कर पाते हैं, उसको फ्रॉम 5 और 6 वी टेक टू 15 और 16. See, I can't take the guarantee that सारे questions हो जाएंगे because the subject is difficult, the subject is very broad. But हमें सिर्फ दूसरों के ऊपर edge लेना है, हमें cut off के ऊपर जाना है, हमें 200 out of 200 नहीं चाहिए. And like I showed you as proof, if you study these notes properly and once we complete them in time and you revise them in April and May, it will be very easy for you to get 6 or 7 questions extra right that others won't. और ये जो 10-12 नंबर का आप डिफरेंशियल क्रिएट करोगे, दैट इज ह्यूज इन इंश्योरिंग कि बाकी जगह अगर कोई सिली मिस्टेक भी हो गई, पॉलिटी में एक आधा क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया, स्टिल यू विल सेल अबव द कट ऑफ. So we're starting on 12th January, and now let me talk about the affordability. Again, as Sarthi IAS has maintained its mission of affordability throughout its journey, we are going to maintain that affordability mission here as well. So for both these subjects as a bundle, science and tech and environment combined, this is the price that we've kept. कई लोगों को एक कंफ्यूजन था कि सर फिर मेज में क्या होगा. If I talk of Maze has the same classes of science and tech and environment, but also classes of mapping, art and culture, and IR. So there should be no confusion. Science and tech and environment, whether you go for it through Maze, you go for it through Prelims Navigator, or you go through it here, the classes are the same. Maze may the extra thing is these three things. In Prelims Navigator, of course, there are a lot of other things like test series, mentorship, especially my mentorship classes, PYQs, live MCQ solving, daily tests, etc. etc. This is the idea, the affordability is maintained. So we will start on 12th January. 12th January को जो हमारा class timing होगा वो 4:30 PM होगा. That will be the class timing for these subjects, which will be 4:30 PM. Now the idea is that once we start from science and tech, we'll first cover science and tech, then current affairs of science and tech, then cover environment, then the current affairs of environment. That is the clear idea. And once you do these classes, you don't need to go anywhere else for tests, for current affairs, for static, for these subjects. If you still have other questions, you can give us a call back on this number or send an email at ask@sarthi.com. The course starts on Monday. The link is in the description, and I'll see you all there. And this worry of science and tech and environment is gone for this year's prelims. Thank you for your time. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.